In this video, we're going to be going over TikTok's new tool that is completely free and lets you spy on your competitors' content, see what might perform well, and just find overall good content ideas that they know work. So I'm going to jump on TikTok, and on my phone right here, if you want to find this new tool, you need to have a creator profile. Once you have that profile, you'll be able to go over to TikTok Studio. So I'm just going to click into TikTok Studio over here. And this new tool, if I scroll down, I'm looking for a section called Inspiration. Now, this Inspiration tab is really what we're looking at. So I'm just going to click, you can either click in, get more info, or if I want to see a couple pieces of information they give you trending topics overall right here, and I can see those. I can click into trending posts, and I'm able to scroll through, click see more, and see what's trending overall. Now, these are not the best tools to use, especially if you're a smaller creator. What you're really going to want to look at is even past trending creators. You can see just trending overall. But if you click on viewed by followers, now this account is not currently active, so that's why there's nothing here, but you'll be able to see content that is being viewed by your current followers. So these are things that they're most likely interested in. This would be things to pull ideas from, restructure it, and kind of reframe it however your content is framed. But this is a great way to get ideas because you know what they're actually viewing. You also can click over and see searched by followers. So if your followers are searching something on TikTok, you can see what they're searching, and I can even come in and save these ideas to my inspiration and go back and see them later. And if I click at the bottom, the little button that says get more inspiration, it'll jump in a little bit more, and I can just scroll through some of these. And if I click into one of them, I'll be able to see even more information. I can see any tips for creators they put. I can scroll through related videos in here and click in and maybe get some ideas, find ideas that way, or even see more topics around this same idea and see the overall popularity. So this is very helpful for finding different ideas, see what is performing, what's not. And you can always kind of cross-reference this with viewed by your followers, see what kind of lines up, or even similar posts. Again, I have nothing on here, but you will see posts if you're actively posting of what is similar being posted to yours that is performing well. So they're showing you, hey, this content performs well. It performs well with your audience and on other accounts similar to you. So you should probably take some notes on that. And it's probably the best way to get content ideas. And then the last tab over here is just similar creators. So if you don't want to go through, look at all the similar posts, you can click into similar creators, which is kind of just based off the content and the audience similarities, and go into their profile and see what they're actually posting. But these viewed by followers and searched by followers especially is one of the most powerful tools for finding content ideas. So if you're not already, make sure create your profile as a creator, and you can come in and utilize these tools to find great content ideas for TikTok.